Hey everyone, welcome to H&M Tech Tutorial, and this is the best place to learn and explore cool tech stuff. So in this video tutorial, I will tell you about the famous tool of AI where you can generate contents, where you can generate stock images. If you want to write codes, if you want to analyze your data, you can use it by using a single AI tool which is known as ChatGPT. So let's jump in today's videos. So let's open your favorite browser. I am opening here Google Chrome browser. So once you will open your favorite browser, you can simply type ChatGPT. So once you will open ChatGPT, you can create account over here as I already created an account. So once you will create account, it will redirect you to ChatGPT official interface. So once you will click the interface, you can see here, you can type any of the prompt here and it will help you out to with your issues. So here you can see your new chat option. So once you will create you once you will click here, you will open a new chat. If you want to generate content, if you want to generate stock images, if you want to generate anything, you can just write over here. Even you can send voice messages. So you can use ChatGPT 4 versions. I am using currently ChatGPT 4 version. So if I want to write any prompt like, can you generate image for my YouTube channel? So it will help you out to generate high quality images. And if you want to write any content, it will help you out in your content optimization. If you have anything in your mind, you can directly search on ChatGPT. It's a most powerful tool and it will help you out to sort out images. So you can see it will create a beautiful prompt for me, and it just created a YouTube back cover. So by the way, it just create a YouTube back cover for me. So if I want to add something new, if I want to create something new, I can simply type here. If you want to upload any of your file, any of your content, you can simply click on here attach file option, and you can upload from your computer or from your downloads option from anywhere. And you can simply give prompt to ChatGPT. If you want to write some data from your images, it will help you out with. So this is the best AI tool which will help you to sort out any of your issues. So if I give him a prompt, can you write code for me in Java script for submit button? So if you want to write different codes, you can simply in any language like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, it will help you. Here you can see it generated a beautiful code. And if you have any tool, debugging tool, you can simply paste this code over there and you will get it output as well. If you want to share your chat with any of your collaborators, you can simply click here and share your chat. So this is the most powerful tool. Don't forget to use it. If you have any confusion, if you are a business developer, if you are lead generator, if you are doing sales, it will help you out in your sales and marketing techniques as well. So well, in this way you can use ChatGPT. And if you want to learn about any techniques, any strategies, you can simply search here. It will help you out with those techniques as well. So I just type any technique. Can you tell me about sales techniques? So let's see how ChatGPT will help you out with the sales techniques, how it will give us a solution to generate a high quality sales. If you are working in any business development, if you are a salesperson, you can simply generate different sales tricks and tips from ChatGPT. So you can take a look how it generates like a building report. This way you can use ChatGPT and it will really helpful for you. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and share your thoughts in comment box. I will help you out to create more videos.